trying to kill me, little man?
Hey people, it's me Mad, and today we're gonna be watching what is it? Foxy Missions has posted a new video, and it's called the Alternative Endings Fairy Tales Analog Horror. Yeah, so what I'm guessing in this video is that in this video, I bet there's gonna be alternate endings of like was it of like the events that we've seen in the other episodes, like maybe like what was it, let's say in the was it at the ending of episode 3 where like was it where the little pig burned the wolf, let's say like okay, I don't know, but yeah, alternate endings. So yeah, I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, let's just react.
It's dangerous out here. It's better to go inside.
Okay, so I knew it. Episodes. Oh, so he caught the candle.
Did you really think you could do it?
Also, and then he killed it. He failed to do it. Yep, then he killed it. Yeah. In the episode she goes past the brick house, wait. Okay, she encountered in this alternative ending? I don't get it. Where did Hansel go? Oh, this time the brick house isn't burned. Brick house. Oh, just so. Oh, the rest gonna kill. Okay, yeah, this alternative ending. To rest. Bad ending. different in this one.
But you can trust me. I'm your new friend now. Tell me, where you going, little girl?
Oh, Hansel appears. Come on. Already out, like at the same time.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see.
Why is his face like that? I have nothing to say. Oh. Why is his face like that? Why is his face like that? Okay, so he saves Little Red Riding Hood. Ah, the witches. Who's there? Oh, the witch is gonna pop off. Oh wait. Oh, he just shot her everywhere. Yeah. Bro, why? Why do you make that faces so funny? Why is that? Bro, that should be. Damn. Oh, that's so funny. Their faces. So, okay, so let's get out of here. Good ending is that nobody didn't die. Like the grandma, everyone is alive. Yeah, see? Yep, no one never died. Wait, what?
You know that didn't happen.
Oh, that's true. That's true. Yep, that's the end of this video. Well, it was nice looking at alternative endings of the episodes of the previous episodes that I reacted to. Go check those out. Yeah. Yeah, so it was nice and it was funny and what was it? Yeah. I don't know if he's gonna make more. I don't know if he's gonna make more like I don't know if he's gonna make more fairy tale / analog horror stories. Yeah. I don't know, maybe. I don't know. But anyways, Foxy Missions is actually a very good animator. Yeah. He's actually a good animator. Can do really good animations. Anyways, yeah, so yeah, anyways, make sure you like, subscribe, ring notification bell, never miss a video again, and yeah, bye.
You know that never really happened at the start of the video. You know that? Anyways, make sure you just subscribe and have a nice life.